land in Warrior One.
I discovered that I had a slip disc in the early 2000s. A couple years ago, I blew it out so bad that I couldn't get up.
Why don't you come back to downward facing dog?
The next morning, I was in urgent surgery at Maine Med. From the ER doctor all the way through my surgeon, everybody explained exactly what was going on. I had somebody that was calling and checking in on me right when I got discharged and went home, and then somebody who was calling to stay on top of my prescriptions. As a single mom and somebody on their own, trying to manage everything else going on, and that was a lot, so to have that care was really important. I'm doing things in my yoga classes that I haven't been able to do comfortably for 3 or 4 years. What this surgery really provided for me was the ability to really understand how my body works. I would most definitely recommend Maine Medical. I would recommend the surgeon that I saw across the board. I had nothing but a good experience.